being killed by other Templars.
Him right there. We're gonna stay on side of this thing. They're gonna jump off the camera. Damn. I walk out on that pole. Was that him? There he is, right there, dude.
Kill him.
I see him.
There he is right there. That one dude that's swinging all over the place.
I threw a knife at him.
Contract lost.
No, it's him right there.
As long as he gets up close to your contact lost.
Yeah. No! All bad, dude.
Just screwed you in the ass.
And then he walks away like it was nothing.
I'm done here.
It's him right there.
Contract lost.
Nope. One of them. I'm sitting up here until I find whoever that kill was. I'm gonna do like some bad shit. Watch. Oh yeah. Dude's going down.
6th place. That's the dude.
That's the dude. He is going down.
Gonna rape him.
Oh yeah.
Like,
I see one.
hardcore pedophile or like softy pedophile.
Damn, he's all the way over there. You see him?
Go get him. He's right there.
He's coming.
If he knows it's good for him. Go get him. Go. Uh-oh. Go get him. Go get him. He's running away like a pansy. And you're trapped.
Man, that's in hole.
There he goes. Go get him. There he. Where is he? He disappeared.
Damn bastard. It'll be like an LP on him.
And now you're 7th place.
Oh, ain't catching me.
Get that. Oh.